What is it like going to KansasFest for the first time?
It's 3 in the morning and I'm on my way to KansasFest. Let's go.
And they sell them.
And here we are on Route 70 on our way west towards Kansas. Or Missouri, actually. Whatever, Kansas City. Just outside Dayton, Ohio, 509, and now it's started to rain. Oh no. 6:25 in the morning, and we're rolling into Indianapolis, Indiana. On the other side of Indianapolis, I'm probably going to stop for breakfast and a recharge of some coffee, so we'll see here in a few minutes. Or an hour? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and by the way, people in Indianapolis during rush hour are nuts! 7:35 a.m., Terre Haute, Indiana, stopping for gas and coffee. Coffee. Back to the road. And just a few minutes later, 7:58, we're in Illinois. 10:23 a.m., crossing the great Mississippi River into the state of Missouri. And I have seriously underestimated the length of this trip. This is insane. My sciatica is killing me. One last stop for gas and a quick snack. About 100 miles to go. Not every day you get to see one of these things in person. It's a transcontinental cable route marker. You see me around, ask me about these things. They're absolutely fascinating. AT&T. I have arrived. I am here and unpacked. And as you can tell, somebody else here in Kansas, or Missouri, I should say, has the same taste in car I do. The first thing I noticed was all the items out for the garage giveaway, front and center in the dorm lobby. Started as a literal garage giveaway from Sean Fahey's private collection, it has expanded into a community sharing extravaganza. Tell you what, the garage giveaway is going to be insane. Here's my room, pretty simple, straightforward. Nothing complicated, just dorm settings here, but I'm pretty much settled in other than for making my bed and setting up my JCN1 stuff, so we'll be doing that later. After the orientation, and before or after dinner, I don't know, I'll figure it out.
So we got to make sure that we connected the right way. And the right way is with a connector on top and of course the text on the bottom. Just like this. So we'll take it out.
The garage giveaway just got a lot bigger. Here's my haul from the official last garage giveaway. A lot less than I came with, which was the intention, but I did need to grab a couple of things that were rare or that I didn't have while I was here.
They're obsolete. They're going away, and it's like, wow, all the stuff we did is just vaporizing.
Jordan Mechner live.
Do is take everyone home. Here we go. Pretty simple so far. We're seeing we're seeing that somebody had a few drinks before he got into the helicopter. Ken is raining down damage and death on nothing. This is fantastic. Also raining down damage and death. Ken has ruined some hearts. This is going on. Oh, somebody is gathering up.
So here we are using my Apple II and my monitor with Javier's drive and Forrest's disk and video cable to test this drive. So take it away.
There goes nothing.
Well, at least the Reefus didn't blow up.
Yeah, so far.
I don't know if this monitor
The little red
works.
light went on. It sounds like it's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's functioning.
Good
Here it
hear
is.
That's an unknown answer yet.
Monitor's not.
We'll go forward.
Do we have a sound? Yeah,
It's doing it. Here, it works.
it's working.
Well, the monitor doesn't
not
work.
working. Yeah,
Let's make it.
Yeah, cool.
we're good.
Drive works.
Perfect.
My name's Kate, and when I'm not at KansasFest being a nerd, well, I'm always a nerd, but I'm the nerdy teacher at a high school in Loudoun County, Virginia.
Good morning. Thank you for coming. I'm Mark Lemmert. Welcome all. Thank you for coming to KansasFest 2019, and thank you for waking up. It's still early on a Friday, so thank you for being here.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in and coming this morning for our annual Call Apple update.
We have to go through this a number of times. That is... No. KansasFest 96. Joe Cone was the star of that.
School programming experiences and some of the programs we did back then, just to kind of
Right edge of the track.
alongside the students, and he seemed just like one of us.
What are you looking for?
Trying to separate copies from originals, basically.
Oh, so they can image them.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, you're killing your own people, man. Friendly fire, friendly fire.
When John arrives, we'll have all the Australian attendees from KansasFest 1 4 years ago.
You did round 2, and you blew away your goal. You lowered your goal and got about twice that much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What Peter Ferry and I have been working on for the past year, pretty much 365 days.
Probably the closest I will ever get to an 88 here. That is nuts. And now it's time to move out. The buzz of Kokorin Hall dies down as everyone checks out to go home. The garage giveaway pile is almost bare. Folks have piled up their linens for donation to local homeless shelters. Things that never belonged here are left behind. People say their goodbyes. Javier's retro brighting station is abandoned, waiting for next year. Folks chill in the lobby, waiting for their rides. The conference room is devoid of the life and energy we had seen just the day before. Rooms are empty. Halls are silent. And as I'm packing up to leave myself, so many people stop by my room and ask, "Hey Joe, are you coming back next year?" And my answer was unequivocated. Absolutely.